Oh, God.
Sorry, guy, I don't have any.
You're not supposed to stop with the bison. Hi, how's it going? Yeah, that's quite the quite the tongue you have there. It's like Jabba the Hutt here.
Meanwhile, I'm over here with the deer.
Yes.
Ah, lovely.
Aiden, another piece of bread. No, a full piece. Give me a full piece. Give me a full piece, fast.
Oh no, Catherine! Catherine!
Okay, here we go. Hi.
Ma'am, someone give me a piece of bread, please, before they kill me.
Oh,
No, this is a tiny piece of bread. This ain't gonna work.
no,
Hi. I don't have much more.
I think it's time for you to
Yep.
gas it.
Okay, let's go.
Here, I got something for you.
In the middle of all this.
This is the last piece, kiddo.
Last piece.
I'm just gonna stay here.
Okay, we gotta pour it. Go, 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 go!
I'm just
You
gonna
need a car in
stay
front of her.
here.
I can't. There's a car in front of me. Hi. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm all out. Yeah, I'm all out.
Yeah, he doesn't believe you.
I'm all out.
He doesn't believe you for a second, my friend.
I can't. There's a car in front of me. Hi.
Pour it.
Hi.
No, stop.
I know,
Driving around.
Unlock the thing so we can put up our windows.
Aiden, please switch with me. I beg of you.
This guy's like, nope.
Oh, we made it.
That was
Next
illegal.
thing you know, something's gonna get infected.
You're gonna have to run your car through the car wash.
It's okay. Remember that time we went through the car wash and the guy was like, what are the missionaries?
That's right.
The missionaries were like, what happened? Did you guys want to go around again?
No, no.
Are
No.
we out of bread?
Yeah.
Yep.
We're out of bread anyways.
We are.
Okay, I want to roll my window up.
We'll use the other.
I'd like to, wait, before you do, I'd like to grab a wet wipe and wipe down the window so it doesn't get jammed up into the stuff.
Just the top.
Just,
The top there.
yeah,
What
just
am I
wipe
doing?
the top down
Like this.
so it doesn't,
Someone give
Yes.
me a wet wipe, please.
well, no, Kayla, you shouldn't need to
Okay.
because you're,
So I don't reach.
Okay, I'm safe.